So you bring down the 8. And then 7 goes into 48. How many times?
Can lean in a little bit so you're in the picture.
And then 7 times 6 is 42. Subtract that, you get 6. Oh yeah. Now you have a remainder of 6.
Oh, watch your elbow. Here, keep talking to her.
Yeah. 65, 74.
Is Joshy teaching you? Teaching you some math?
Yeah. Well, 3 goes into 6 twice. 3 times 2 is 6.
What you're doing
Subtract
good.
that.
How did she get to laugh before?
5.
Miss Caitlin.
1.
Caitlin.
3 times 1 is 3. 2.
Are you looking at the
7.
Who's that?
9.
Who's that baby? Is Joshy teaching you some good stuff? You learning long division and some other math things for fifth grade math? You're gonna be such a smart baby when it gets to be time for you to be in 5th grade, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Is Joshy teaching you? Why don't you talk to her?
Caitlin. Caitlin. Hi. You look at the camera the whole time? Really? Really? Really?
Aww. Let's take a picture.